Okay, woke up today and that's what we've seen. We had an ice storm last night. I don't know if you can see. Whole car's covered with ice. Can't even see out the windows or nothing. I opened the door and look what it did. It's all ice.
You didn't see that, right?
It's slippery over here. No way. Here's the Focus we shoveled out. This one's good. Maybe we'll drive this thing. Okay, now we're recording the inside. Show you what the glass looks like. Can't see nothing out. This is the windshield. Can't see nothing out. Wipers won't even go on. I think we're done here.
In the back seat.
Alright, we're doing another recording. Look at the back window. Let's see. All the ice is still there. The car's been started about 20 minutes now. We take off the ice off the two windows. This window's still shut. That ice is crazy. Push it out, Mark.
Yeah, I knew you were gonna do that.